Hello and welcome. You are now listening to Kavoo Creative. Today, we will create a clean visual using simple design principles. In this lesson, we will create a minimal modular logo design using Adobe Illustrator. Let's move forward and build it together. Let's start. Double-click on the Artboard tool. In Artboard Options, check Show Center Mark in the Display section. Click OK. We only need the stroke, so turn off the fill. Select the Rectangular Grid tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key, then left-click on the center mark. Set both the width and height to 250 pixels. Now set both the horizontal and vertical dividers to 6. Press OK. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Use the Shift key while drawing to maintain straight lines. Press and hold Ctrl. Then click outside the artwork to end the path. Finish the line by connecting the 2 points. Select All and select Shape Builder tool. Swap stroke to fill. A plus icon appears when shapes are merged. Hold the Alt key to subtract shapes. It shows a minus sign. Right-click and select Ungroup. Now select All. Hold Shift and click on the area we want. Then press Delete key to remove unwanted shapes. Change the colors one by one using the eyedropper tool. By holding the Control key, the eyedropper temporarily switches to the Selection tool. Now, select everything except the center square. Select the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center. Enter an angle as 90 degrees. And click Copy. Press Ctrl+D 2 times to duplicate it. Now select everything again. Go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Check both Fill and Stroke, then click OK. Open the Pathfinder panel and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click the white outline. Then press the Delete key to remove it. Excellent. Keep refining, it looks good. If you enjoyed this, a like helps. Stay with us. Subscribe for more from Kavoo Creative. Stay consistent. Progress comes with practice. Thanks for watching.